Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you a simple but powerful trick using Microsoft Copilot in Edge to quickly extract information from a PDF file. Let's get started. First, I have a bike insurance policy PDF saved on my computer. Now, instead of manually reading everything, I simply right-click the PDF file and choose Open with Microsoft Edge. Once the file opens in Edge, I go to the top and click on Copilot. Now here comes the useful part. I ask Copilot to summarize the document. Immediately, Copilot starts analyzing the PDF and shows the key information on the right side panel. Now, you can see the copy button at the bottom of the Copilot response. Simply click it, and Copilot will copy the entire summary, including all the important details, to your clipboard. Then, open Microsoft Word and paste the copied content into your document. Finally, I just paste the content into Word, and my document is ready in seconds. No need to read the full PDF manually. Copilot does all the hard work for you. That's it. A very simple trick to save time and improve productivity using Microsoft Edge Copilot. Thanks for watching.